Hello everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video. My name is Sharleen from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. Happy Monday. Today I thought I'd kick off the week with CASEing the Catty Mondays. Now CASEing stands for Copy and Share Everything. I have heard other demonstrators call it something different. If you do know of a different name, leave it in the comments. I'd love to know what other people are calling it. But if you're new to stamping, CASEing stands for Copying and Sharing Everything. Now you can copy something exactly, or you can switch it up a little bit and make it your own using kind of the same layout. So for today, I thought we would copy this little guy right here. Isn't it super cute? So we're going to copy this little guy, but we're going to switch it up a little bit and kind of make it our own. But this is where I got the inspiration from. Now, if you would like a catalog, send me an email. If you do have a demonstrator that you order from already, I kindly ask that you contact your demonstrator for a catalog. As independent demonstrators, we actually purchase these catalogs. It's not something we get given free. So if you do have a demonstrator that you're ordering from, contact them for a catalog. But if you don't and you would like a catalog, send me an email with your mailing address. I'd also love to know your birth date as well. I love to give out cards when it's, you know, your birthday and stuff for you to pass on or to give to a friend. So the stamp set I'm using today is the Butterfly Gala. Now this is from the Gingham Gala Suite. Now I am using the designer series paper called Botanical Butterfly. This paper is beautiful, you guys. Now when you receive these catalogs, and again if you are new to stamping, this may be a little foreign to you. So this little brochure is basically free product that you can pick from. So when you purchase anything from any of the catalogs that are current, for every $50 you spend before tax and shipping, you get to pick a free item from here. You will notice two symbols. One says 50 and one says 100. If you see this one, you know that you need to spend $50 before tax and shipping, and that will be a free item that you're able to choose. So I did all these spools of ribbon, and again, that was for $50. So if you spend $50, you get to pick. And again, there's 19 pages in this brochure, which is pretty sweet. And you can pick, you know, from all these 19 pages. So it's quite a good amount. Okay, so our card we're casing today is a sky. I have not created a card yet. We are going to do it together on camera. Okay, so let's get started. Now, if you purchase the stamp set and coordinating punch as a bundle, you save 10%. And we love to save money. I know I do anyway. So keep that in mind. I will have a detailed description with measurements over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over there and go and have a look. But let's get creating with today's project. So, our cardstock is basic black. This piece is cut at 5.5 by 8.5 and it's scored at 4 1/4. I have a piece of that designer series paper, beautiful butterfly images. This piece is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. I have a piece of Whisper White, and this is for the inside of the card. Whenever you're using a dark colored cardstock, you want to make sure you have a white layered insert so that you're able to write on. And this piece measures 4 by 5 1/4. I have a 1 inch by 4 1/2, and this is Highland Heather. And then I have run through my Big Shot a scallop, stitch shaped circle. Sorry, Mondays, you know what Mondays are like. And then just in case I need to stamp anything on here. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to fold our cardstock I am going to attach my designer paper to the front. My insert, I'm going to do some stamping. And again, I've got the butterfly, and then I've got the thanks so very much. My ink is Highland Heather and Balmy Blue. Okay. Thank you so very much. Let's close this up before I get ink everywhere. Okay. And I am just going to stamp some butterflies, the Balmy Blue, like so. Yep. I'm going to attach this on the inside. Then, what are we going to do? Let's see. Okay. Thanks so very much. Got ink everywhere. I just want this little butterfly. Oh man, I did it in purple. I wanted it in blue. Where is my... Okay, let's clean that off. All right, let's get some balmy blue here. Now what I do is, if I punch out butterflies, or if I have a lot of excess butterflies, what I do is I just put them into the case. So I am going to pick out a butterfly, and I think I'm going to go with the purple one. Now I just punched this from the designer series paper. You can see I used the punch and punched out some butterflies. I leave it in my case, so if I need to use a butterfly, I can do that. And then we are going to lay that there. I'm going to attach this butterfly with a glue dot. Just so the wings look like they're flying. All right, that's stuck down. I'm going to cut away the excess. Let's see I like the yellow. I think the yellow pops out. So all I'm doing is I'm taking some ribbon. I'm going to cut off a little piece. I have some Scotch tape. And I am just going to Scotch tape this bad boy right there. And because I'm going to cover it up, you won't see that Scotch tape, so it doesn't matter that there's Scotch tape there. How fun we get to create together on camera. No planning involved. None whatsoever, I can assure you. All right. So, what do you guys think? Cute, right? Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. If you're in the US and you're interested in any of the products that I used, I will have them linked in the description below. I will also have a written detailed description with measurements over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. And I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Thank you so much for stopping by. Take care.